Okay, today we're going to look at another example here. And in this example, we're going to find f of 3 for each one of these examples. And so you've got different ways of depicting a graph, or excuse me, a function. So in part A, we've got the algebraic expression of a function. And so to find f of 3, we're just going to replace x with 3. And so if I just replace this with 3, and then here, again, I'm going to replace this with 3. And so this is going to equal 9 minus 7, which equals 2. Okay, so the value of f of 3 is 2. Okay, or if you're talking about the graph, this corresponds to the point 3, 2 on the graph, okay? Okay, so now if I go to B, here's another way of depicting a function. So a function is this set of ordered pairs, right? So that's, in this case, we have a relation. A relation is defined as a set of ordered pairs. So here we got a function, and it has this set of ordered pairs, and we want to know what's the f of 3. So that's an x value. So we want to look for the coordinate that has the x coordinate with 3, which is this one right here. And so the corresponding y coordinate is 1. So the value of the function at 3 is 1 in this case. And now here's another way that we've seen functions depicted as a pictorial like this, as a graph of sorts. Now, so here's the domain, here's the range, here's the function, so this represents f. And so we want to know again, what's the value of the function at 3? So what's f of 3? So 3 is in the domain. So where is 3 mapped to? Well, in this case, 3 is being mapped, shown by the arrow, mapped to 5. So in this case, the value of the function f of 3 is 5. And we're done. And then in this example here, we've got a graph of a function, right? So here's y equals f of x is represented by this line. And so again, we want to know f of 3. So in this case here, what do? We have to look at the value of the function. We go up and see where this intersects the line. And then we go across here. Okay? So now, based on, now again, my artistic skills notwithstanding here, but this is a straight line that goes through -1 and 1. So it looks like it's going up by 1, right? So it's going to go up by 1. So at 3, so at 1, it's 1, right? At 2, it's going to be what? Or excuse me, I'm sorry. At 0, it's 1. At 1, it's 2. Okay? And then at 2, it's 3. Well, at 3, if we draw a line up here, we're going to come up to here. And if we intersect the line here, right? So if we extend this to here. So if we draw a line, and we intersect here, and then we draw a line to the y-axis, so we're going to say that this is the point 3, 4. And so in this case here, we find that the value of f of x is 4 when x is 3. And that's it. Okay? So that's how another way of using function notation to solve problems. Okay?